Monthly views do not equate to sales on Pinterest. Now, before we get started, I'm Prash Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, hopefully like yours. So sometimes on this app, I'll see people talk about how they got all these monthly views or all these impressions on their Pinterest. But what you need to know is that those monthly views, those impressions do not equal sales. So don't be fooled by people saying, oh, I got 5 million monthly views. Okay, how many link clicks did you get to your products or your services or your offers? How many of those actually turned into sales? Because what most people don't talk about is that getting impressions is just one part of your Pinterest like funnel and system. Yes, it's great to have high monthly views, high impressions, and to know that your content is being seen, but are you actually getting people to click? Are you actually getting people to save your content? Depending on what your goal is for Pinterest, you have to understand that things like your vanity metrics might not actually equate to the metrics and the results that you want. And sometimes, if I'm being honest, if you're sharing other people's content on Pinterest, that might be where those high monthly views and impressions are actually coming from and not your content. So you have to be very mindful of how Pinterest works and how you're going to get the results that you want. And not just the ones that look good to those looking in on the outside. So if you're one of those people who has high monthly views or impressions on Pinterest, but aren't getting high outbound clicks or pin clicks or saves, let's talk about it. Ask me some questions of how you can improve that. And remember to follow me for more Pinterest content.